Hey guys, this is Twyford shower set, shower system. This is the shower system I got in one of my property. Inside, this is Bristan Shower Head, and this is Twyford shower set. See what it looks like. Twyford shower set is inside ensuite. We got magnet. So this is magnet, this end and this end. And that magnet will just latch on top of this. So this is Twyford shower set. This is what we have here. Use this inside ensuite. Twyford with Bristan shower head. This is good for the ensuite property. Adjust it this way, then it closes. Well secure and water does not leak from it. I'm happy with it. Twyford and Bristan shower head. Thank you.